I really wanted to stay a little bit longer at Great Sand Dunes, but this morning I woke up and I realized I had a severe lack of food. I didn't realize how isolated the place was. The nearest grocery store, it was like 38 miles away. I just didn't really want to drive like 80 miles round trip just to be in the same place with some food. Also, too much sand everywhere. Camera gear, shoes, my hair. So I just figured I better move on, mainly just to make sure none of the cameras or lenses get ruined. But anyway, this morning ended up driving a couple hours up here to Colorado Springs, and now I'm just in the parking lot of Sam's Club. They said it was okay to sleep here. Tomorrow, not totally sure yet what I'm gonna do, but there's some nice mountains over there. Probably some cool stuff to see and go shoot. So definitely gotta go grocery shopping in the morning, but then I'll hopefully do something fun later in the afternoon. So the weather forecast is saying that there's gonna be a storm moving in here this evening, which probably means rain down here, but snow up in the mountains. So right now I'm just headed towards Pikes Peak, planning on driving to the top and hopefully catching some cool, intense weather up there. Visitors are required to leave the summit by 4 p.m. It's 5:40. And it costs money to go. What is this? It's a road. That's just dumb. Why? Well, the one other place that might be kind of cool to check out is this Garden of the Gods. I think there's some sort of cool rocks. But what's a cool rock in some rain? I wanted snow. We'll see what it's like though. See, it's actually kind of cool. It's too bad the sky is of zero interest. It wants to snow. It's so close. It's like, man, it almost is kind of snow. Well, I think if there's anything worth shooting right now, it's just kind of the dark, moody mistiness the clouds are kind of bringing in here. There's some sort of cool, you can tell little rain clouds coming down over some of the rocks in the distance. Also the hills are kind of shrouded in a nice mist. So it's nothing like, wow, but a little just kind of more somber. Not the best, but maybe worth a little something here. Starting to really get kind of sleety out there. Now, those are by no means portfolio shots at all, but it's definitely still a little bit rewarding to when it feels like there's nothing come away with at least something, just something to say, cool, I get to edit a shot now. I don't doubt this could be a super cool spot when there's, you know, a really legitimate storm or cool sunset, sunrise, anything like that. Now it's just kind of dreary. Not the most successful day of shooting here in Colorado Springs, but still worth the effort. Tomorrow, gonna be meeting up with a friend who goes to school here, just hanging out, not really doing any photography, and then continuing up north towards Denver and Fort Collins, eventually heading over towards Rocky Mountain National Park. That might be the next photography that happens, so it could be a couple days before I get back out. Who knows though, maybe I'll find something cool in between, so stick around. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.